Guys, yeah, I'm not even sure if that was on. It's on now. So I'm going up this hill. It's just like dusk. So it said the views are pretty good, so I'm gonna check it out. Yeah, so I'm not even sure what was doing here, but yeah, I'm just saying pros and cons. For me, things at the moment go plans for the first place. Maybe even in a couple of weeks, or sorry, days. It's beautiful. Yeah, maybe I knew the stars didn't align on this trip, guys. Maybe it's the time of year. It's raining all. It is not raining. It's cold. There's not really a reason you want to go to Vietnam. Not sometimes it gets so hot. Sometimes you want to go down and it's good for 3 days. Even Hoi An, yeah, guys, in the summer, like March, you can just, you pay a premium for it, but you can get Western goods, which is kind of cool. Here's something that's gonna get the Western. Yeah, you can get little stuff that components everywhere. So yeah, it's gonna show you this hill at dusk. So cool. That's it. Alright, so this is the view, I think. Okay, so I have to compliment Google Maps. That is facing through. So you see all the farms. Yeah, when you're on the bike, it's really big. It'll be inspired. So yeah, I'm just following over here. I don't know if this is correct. So I'm so glad I got the 125cc bike. This would simply be impossible. Oh. Okay, really not possible. So doing this on a 50cc would be like hell. Oh yeah, so the other thing about not being ready for curves, like that's why I think it might be some dodgy. They're all dodgy people, like it's getting expected my bike, so that's what I'm saying, if you're not ready for curves, the West will be a bigger scale. So that's just the truth. Alright guys, yeah, so just checking out this little hill as the sun sets. I think there's, oh yeah, it's quite cool village. I think there's a little park. Oh yeah, it's cool guys. I think that bus is my home. Yeah, this is the hill. But I think don't go any further. There's a dog. Nice. Oh, that's it. You can go up there. But that's it for today. I think, yeah, the park is up there. I see people on a bike. Alright, I'm gonna try that on the bike. I don't know how it is. Alright, this is cool. So we end the video like this, guys. Just with a little view of the laptop.
My heart is reopened. I imagine you right here with me. Words are spoken.
Alright guys, so yeah, definitely come here. I nearly missed this. This is one of the hills
So please don't dive into her arms, and please just leave my love alone, and please don't be another one and say it's me you're looking for. My heart is wide open. I imagine you right here with me.
There's enough, I think.
Words been spoken. So I imagine you right here with me. So please don't dive into her arms, and please just leave my love alone, and please don't be just another one and say it's me you've been looking for, like I've been looking for you. Like I've
So
been
guys, yeah, this is
looking for
over.
you. Like I've been looking for you. Like I've been looking for you.
In the coffee shop. Check it out, guys.
My heart,
Right, right here.
my heart is wide open. I imagine
Just walking on the
you
bike.
right here with me.
I'm gonna try and take a video of this, guys. Let's test out the stabilization on this one. Not bad.